Pyro Tech here. So in this video we're doing something a little bit different. We're having the reaction first, an explanation, and the aftermath of the reaction afterwards. Hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. So it's at night, obviously. What you'll notice is there's lots of these tiny little beads of aluminium. So that's aluminium oxide all along here. I stood about 5 meters away, solid 5 meters. I could feel the heat even from that distance. See the aluminium oxide even there. And here was what was a Pringles can with a metal bottom, and it's you know, everything's just charred and it's just charcoal now. But if you'll notice, the bottom of this is actually melted completely and it's just disappeared. So it's probably just turned to aluminium oxide as well, because it was an aluminium bottom of the can. Yeah, all along here is just aluminium oxide sprayed everywhere. Flame was incredibly high. Far higher than the fence. Thanks for watching, guys. Right, guys, so I'm just in a sink in a shed, and I've just made a 2 to 3 mixture, aluminium to potassium nitrate, dark aluminium, and we're going to put it in this container here. Right, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this new style of video, please comment down below and tell me. If you want to see more like this, please subscribe, and if you like the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.